Hey makers, it's Bree from Minerva. I have a really fun video today all about sewing an autumnal capsule wardrobe. I've picked 6 fantastic patterns and 6 lovely fabrics that are perfect projects to mix and match and wear together all season long. As always, I have links for everything down below, so you can check out the product pages for all the details. I love sewing for the changing seasons, and I especially love sewing for fall. Autumn is one of my favorite times of the year when we all start getting a little more cozy. I'm really inspired by the warm and soothing autumn colors, and I love to bring them into my sewing practice. I like planning a seasonal capsule wardrobe because it helps me think about how I will actually wear the garments that I sew and how I can style them. Capsule wardrobes focus on versatility and utility, but that doesn't mean they have to be boring. For this capsule, I've got a swishy dress, a cozy knit top, a sweet blouse, a pair of trousers, a pinafore, and a casual jacket. I've chosen fabrics that all go together that can easily be mixed and matched into several different outfits for maximum wearability. When I'm planning a capsule wardrobe, I often start with a cornerstone piece. I tend to wear a lot of solids, but I always start with a print and let the colors of that print lead me into planning the rest of the projects. For this capsule, I was really inspired by this fabric. It's a viscose twill with this beautiful sunflower print. Sunflowers are really sentimental for me, and they always remind me of late summer and early autumn. So I just couldn't resist this lovely print. It has so many colors, it has lots of dimension, and it's perfect for pulling lots of colors out to create a capsule wardrobe. Now, I will say, not every piece has to be like super matchy-matchy, but I like to think that the colors have like a similar mood. In this capsule, I'll feature fabrics in more traditional fall colors like dark green and ochre, but I'll also throw in some teal and light mauve to make it fun. So starting with this Cornerstone Fabric, I have picked the Sudley blouse from Nielsen. So the Sudley blouse is so cute and has some really fun features. The Sudley comes as both a dress and a blouse, making it a really versatile pattern. But what's even cooler is that it is reversible. So I love the little colored version with the keyhole. I think it's so pretty and will go so nicely with a skirt or some trousers. But I love that you can turn it around for a nice clean front when wearing the blouse with a pinafore. The printed Sudley comes in sizes 0 to 20, which is a 34 to 48 inch hip. Sudley can be made out of a variety of lightweight woven fabrics. It's great for cotton lawn, chambray, tencel, and viscose like this one. This one is a viscose twill. It is super soft and drapey and perfect for the Sudley blouse. So next up, I have the Style Arc Emery top. So I'm always looking for a comfy knit top with a little something extra. And this one definitely has it with the super chic puffed pleated sleeve. The extra detail not only makes it a bit more special, but also a bit more versatile because it can function like a basic tee, but also like a blouse. I should note that Style Arc patterns are really light on instructions, but if you've sewn with knits before, Emery will be a breeze to stitch up. Emery comes in sizes 4 to 30, which is a 32.5 to a 61 inch hip. For the Emery top, I've picked this super lush Lady McElroy luxury viscose jersey. It has a lot of body, which is going to be perfect for holding those pleats at the shoulder. It is super soft and squishy. It comes in 5 colors, but I've picked this cool teal to complement the warmer, more traditional fall colors in this collection. So this one is 60% polyester, 36% viscose, and 4% elastane. And again, I think it is so perfect for the Emery top. So we've covered tops. Now it's time to look at some bottoms. I've chosen one of my tried and true favorite patterns. These are the Sew House 7 free range slacks. Now, I'd probably be happy if all the trousers in my wardrobe were free range slacks. It's such a good pattern. They're a joy to sew. The construction is really fun, and they have the best pockets ever. For fall, I'd love to stitch up a pair of the tapered cuffed version. I think they're so cute with some little ankle boots or sneakers. The free range slacks come in 2 size ranges. So the standard range is size 00 to 20, which is hips measuring 34 to 50 inches. And the curvy range is 18 to 34 for hips 49 to 65 inches. For the free range slacks, I have chosen our enzyme washed 100% linen in this mauve color. So I have really sensitive skin and I need to be careful with fabric when it comes to trousers, but this linen is perfect. It is super soft and smooth. The free range slacks were designed for linen, but I mean, they work well in other fabrics too, but they really shine in linen. It has the right amount of drape and structure. And I picked this color. I mean, for one, it is so pretty. And I love having like non-traditional trouser colors in my wardrobe. But the other reason is that it picks up these kind of like purpley pink hues in the viscose print that I picked for the Sudley blouse. So I know I will pair them together and wear them a lot. One of my favorite items to include in a capsule wardrobe is a pinafore. They can function like a skirt, but with just a bit more flair and personality. They're also great for transitional seasons because you can layer them up with a cool blouse on warmer days or get cozy with a sweater and tights when it's chilly. So I've gone for a really simple pinafore, and that is the Fiber Mood Dagny dress. It has a really cool like retro vibe to it. I love the straight skirt, the wide straps, the big pocket, but my favorite feature is the side button closure. The Dagny comes in sizes UK 4 to 30, which is a 34 to 55 inch hip. So I basically wanted to recreate the cover look with that mustard, again pulling colors from the Sudley blouse. I love the look of corduroy, but I prefer a non-napped fabric for everyday wear, so I went with this lovely cotton twill. This is the colorway ochre. It's a really great weight for a pinafore, but could also be used for trousers or a jacket. It also comes in 17 colors, so it's going to go really nicely with that Emery top or the floral Sudley blouse. Now, no matter how hard I try to focus on separates, I always come back to sewing dresses. So for this capsule, I've made the Tamsin dress by My Hand London. So the Tamsin is one of my favorite patterns. I am all about that cottage core trend, especially this time of year. So the Tamsin is a midi length dress featuring a square neckline, belled sleeves, a gathered skirt, and waist ties. The sleeve and the hem have this really nice pin tuck detail. I think it is so pretty and has so much character. Now I love this dress for fall because of the amount of coverage. The skirt length is perfect for wafting around, even when it starts getting a bit chilly, and the sleeves provide some nice coverage too. The Tamsin comes in two size ranges, UK 6 to 24, which is a 35 inch hip to a 54 inch hip, and UK 16 to 34, made for hips 42 to 63.5 inches. So the fabric I chose is this beautiful viscose twill in this really nice ditzy floral. And because of the size of the print, it looks really different far away than from up close. At a distance, it's kind of like a soft khaki green, but as you move in closer, you can tell it's actually a black background with lots of colors. There's like peach and red and mustard and green. It is so beautiful. Because it's a viscose twill, it has a bit more weight and opacity than a normal viscose. So between the colors and the print, I think it is a great match for the cottage core vibes of the Tamsin dress. So it wouldn't be a fall capsule wardrobe without some kind of outerwear. Fall style is all about layering, and this last piece is perfect for tying it all together. I have picked the Closet Core Sienna Maker jacket for a cool and casual jacket that I can wear with just about everything. The details and the variations of this pattern are so beautiful. And while I love the longer versions, the cropped chore jacket really fits the vibe of this collection. The printed sienna comes in sizes 0 to 20, which is a 33 to 48 inch hip. For my fall sienna jacket, I have picked this really lovely, super textured Robert Kaufman Ventana cotton twill. This is the color Evergreen. The color is so pretty. It's like a really deep sage green. I love the exaggerated twill weave. I think it is so pretty, and the weight is perfect for jackets, pinafores, and trousers. This fabric paired with the Sienna Maker jacket is going to be such a beautiful wardrobe winner. So those are my picks for a fall capsule wardrobe. I'd love to hear all about what you're making this season, so please do comment below with all your sewing plans. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've been inspired by any of the fabrics or patterns that we talked about today, be sure to visit the product pages to see what other Minerva makers have made with them. So I hope you enjoyed my fall capsule wardrobe plans. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy making.